is Dr. Saila. These sweet potato patties are my favorite patties. First take the sweet potatoes and soak them in water, scrape with the veggie brush, and then just use a serrated knife to scrape it off a little bit. Don't peel it because the skin is very nutritious. And we all should incorporate some type of purple food in our diet. And just steam it for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. See the knife, if it pokes through easily, then only you have to take it out. If there is any resistance, keep it for some more time. Purple food has polyphenols which help with the growth of the good bacteria in your gut. And I think now it is all ready to take it out. I can easily poke the knife through the sweet potato. Now turn off the stove. Just wait for about 30 minutes and then mash it. Or you can even bake it. Just apply a little bit of the ghee or clarified butter in the aluminum foil. You can roll it and just bake it for about 30 minutes at 375. And again the same test. If the knife goes through easily, then it is done. You can drink the water in the bottom container of the steamer. I even make chia pudding with this water. Mix all the ingredients with your hand. You don't need a blender. Hey guys. I'm making sweet potato patties today. This is the batter. The recipe is in the captions. And this is how you do it. You just take a little bit water on the back of your hand, put it on a Ziploc bag, take a bowl and flatten it to a patty. And I'm just shallow frying it in a cast iron pan. They look so awesome. These are the ones I made with yellow sweet potatoes.